This is our engine. And Sophie, when your polar bear is dry, you are in our car number 1. What will go here? Do you remember what you chose? Which animal of yours? On our Winter Express, your penguin or your polar bear? Sophie, do you remember which one you're going to put?
The penguin.
Nope, she's going to put her polar bear. But it's still dry because she just painted it this morning. Car number 2 belongs to Maddie, and she's not here today. Car number 3 belongs to Olivia, and she's not here today. But car number 4 belongs to Derek. Derek, which one are you going to put up?
My penguin.
Your penguin. Okay, Mrs. Labita has the pins. And you're going to hang up that penguin.
Let's go to car number 4.
Car number 4.
And there's your penguin. All ready.
Oh, look, he's on the Winter Express. Go back and sit down. Who's car number 5? Who wrote their name in here? Do you remember? Right? Simone, come on up. Which one are you hanging up?
The polar bear.
Polar bear. Go ahead.
Okay, let's get your polar bear over here. Riding on car number 5. Okay, all ready.
All right, and who's car number 6? Whose name is this?
Elisabeth.
Elizabeth. Very good recognizing Elizabeth's name, Matthew. And you're hanging up your penguin.
Ah, here we go. Sitting on car number 6. Ready to take their winter ride.
Who is car number 7?
Me.
There you go, Matthew.
Hey, Matt. Oh, and your happy penguin.
Oh, wait, Matthew, wait to see it get hung up.
There it goes. All set.
Who is car number 8?
Me.
That's right, Joshua. That's your name, and there's the number 8. And you're hanging up your polar bear.
There you go. Take it a ride. Sure.
Yes, you may. Who is car number 9? Look over here. My
Maddie's
friend
here.
Stephanie was working with Mrs.
Maddie's
Thompson. Okay. So, and William is car number, what number is this? 10. Madison is car number 11.
Yeah.
Who's number 12?
Me.
Trevor.
Okay. All right. How do you want to do it? Whoops. Oh, just like that. Exactly how you want it. All right. All set for the train ride.
All right, and who is car number 13? Right, Noah, you recognized your name and everything. Great, okay.
Over here. Shayna Sweat.
Noah, what did you put on your car? Noah, tell me what you put on your car. What did you put on your train car?
Number.
What is it?
Our 3.
You're number 13, but who was on your car? Did you make a penguin or a polar bear?
A penguin.
I think you made a penguin. That's wonderful.
And who's our last car? The caboose, car number 14. Demetra, there you go.
Okay, Demetra.
Who's the caboose? Demetra's the
Polar bear's
caboose.
going up there. End of the train.
Oh, and our Winter Express is filling up. Our friends who are not here will be able to add their animals tomorrow. All right, friends, let's go back inside. Let's go back inside, and I think we need to go to our cubbies and get our boots on.
It's not your turn.
Maybe our boots to get to the Collins.
I like